Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 with 4000 pascals suction power launched for the global market. Xiaomi has released the E10 robot vacuum cleaner on its international website. The vacuum cleaner comes at a cheaper price than the X10 robot vacuum, also released on its global website. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 has a 4000 pascals suction power. The gadget is already on sale in some markets in Southeast Asia. The E10 is capable of navigating various areas of your house, and it comes with several sensors. It is a slim and compact gadget, and it can move under furniture items with its 8 cm height. It avoids obstacles and can plan an efficient route for its operation. The robot can also provide audio updates on the cleaning progress, and it can be controlled via the Mi Home app. The Robot Vacuum E10 supports voice commands from Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It features a 2600 mAh battery and can intelligently return to its docking station when the battery is depleted. Xiaomi also has the X10 robot vacuum with a self-emptying docking station. The E10 is currently retailing in Malaysia for $899, approximately $203. The E10 is expected to be available in several other markets outside Asia. The expected release details for other markets could be revealed anytime soon.